Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to prepare my dinner. So let's get started. It's 11:30, so let's get started, you guys. What's the day, you guys? Here's my tomatoes, some salad, cheese, bacon bits. Hold on, you guys. Okay, I had a salad in the refrigerator, a salad bowl, and it said to 26, and I'm trying to make sure whether I'm doing the right thing. So with this lettuce here, I'm going to rinse this lettuce off, you guys. I always do. Always rinse your lettuce. Okay, and with my lettuce here, I don't like these hard pieces in my lettuce. So what I do, I go through them and I discard them and throw them out because I don't like it. Okay, you guys? So I'm going to show you the finished product when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. My lettuce is over here in a sink. I just cleaned it and I got all those big pieces off, you guys, because I don't like that. Let me show you. Look at how big the piece. Look at that. That's why I go through my salad. Huge. Garbage. Look how huge this is. Come out the salad. So just go through it, and because these hard parts is no garbage. So now this is my baked chicken over here. This is some chicken legs. So what I'm going to do, add a little olive oil. It's a cold Sunday morning, you guys. I think they said we're supposed to be in the lower 60s, but we in the 50s. And it's like raining and cloudy. Onion powder. I did order me some more onion powder. So here's my new jar. Let's slap your mama. And I put my olive oil on first for my seasoning the steak. Smoked paprika. And a little dash. I was looking for this. They didn't have I like the garlic herb. They was out of that one. So I'm going to have to go back and get it. Then you massage your chicken on both sides. I'm just going to make a side salad and some baked chicken I might have. I might find something else to go with it. I already got my stuff ready for work already this morning. Y'all see that? Y'all probably can't. The lighting. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands now. And so I'm gonna cut up my ingredients and everything for my salad. And I'm going to turn it around. Hopefully you can see it, you guys. Let me show you. It's my salad there. Just drain it. So I'm about to clean up my kitchen, you guys. And once I finish, then I will be right back. Okay, you guys. I'm about to prepare my little salad, and I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator. So you gotta make sure all the water is out of it. Okay. It's soaking for a little while. Okay. A little salad. I already had peeled my egg and everything. I chopped some tomatoes. I'll wash my hands, rinse it. Bacon bits. Croutons. It's bad, hard to open. I opened it wrong or something. There we go. And some of the real dark Q-top. You guys, I take them out. Jeez. I'm gonna do me one more egg in here, you guys. I had them in the refrigerator, so I'm finna put some warm water on them, make them easy to peel. Yeah, when you have them in the refrigerator, just put warm water on them. Then they just come off like butter. Because if you don't, it's not going to go right. I have broke my egg slicer. You see this, guys? I broke it this morning. I'm sorry. Y'all probably can't see it. So, the egg is not slicing. Like you have to do it twice. Okay, so. Oh boy. What a day, what a day. Let me put this in the sink. Okay, you guys. I'm going to add a little black pepper. And here's the finished product, you guys. I don't know, can you see it? That's the finished product. So, I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back later with another video. And bye-bye for now.